Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Make sure Python 3.10 or newer is installed and create an isolated venv or conda environment. Next, allocate short daily sessions to review vectors, matrices, basic probability, and core Python constructs so you can read examples. Once done, install Jupyter and a code editor, scaffold a project folder, and initialize Git. Now run a tiny experiment. Load a CSV. Compute mean and split train/test. You'll learn faster by doing than by planning alone. Once you have data and environment, focus on the pipeline. Clean with pandas, handle missing values, encode categoricals, and normalize features. Then implement a baseline with scikit-learn so you have a performance floor. Evaluate using the right metric for your task. After that, transition to PyTorch or TensorFlow to build a custom model and iterate on architecture. While training, log experiments, monitor validation loss, and run simple hyperparameter searches. This reduces guesswork and guides improvements efficiently. To finish, prepare your model for production. Serialize weights, create an inference wrapper, and deploy behind a simple REST endpoint or scheduled batch job. Make sure to add lightweight monitoring for latency, errors, and basic data drift so you'll notice issues quickly. If deployment or performance fails, start troubleshooting by verifying no data leakage, confirming label correctness, and inspecting learning rate or batch size. Run ablation tests to isolate failing components. Finally, schedule routine retraining and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.